Hello, this is my advice for future classes of yours. So, the very first thing is to trust the process. I myself, and you probably will as well, will want to fight against your nature of just being given the answer when asked instead of finding out things for yourself. So, just trust the process, go along with it. The light bulb will come on eventually. This, if you do what you're supposed to. If you read the required readings, you remember all the UDL, all the things, which you don't even know what that means, probably it. But just if you act, this is a class where you actually have to read the material. It's not one of those classes where you just buy the book and then it sits on your desk and you never open it. Definitely read the vaults and all the pedagogy wheel and all that stuff. It's definitely worth the time investment. It'll make life so much easier for you if you actually understand what he's talking about. And my other advice would be to pick a grade that you actually want to teach. It'll make doing the lesson plan so much easier if it's something that you genuinely care about. So try to make it not only a standard you are actually interested in yourself. Hopefully it's the grade that you want to teach in the future, because that will make it just so much better for your mental state of mind. And yeah, just don't freak out. I freaked out the entire semester about failing this class, and then I have a pretty good grade just from doing the work. So like I said, trust the process, do the reading, and then on your group project, make sure it is something that is at least somewhat interesting to you. And that is it. Thank you.